I don't think people realize how easy it is to fix a Hyundai Santa Fe USB port. You don't need to be a car expert. Let's get your phone charging again. First, check the basics. Make sure your car is in park and the ignition is on. Some Hyundai Santa Fe USB ports only work when the engine is running. Next, try a different cable and device. Sometimes the problem isn't the port, it's the cable or your phone. If it works with another cable, you found your issue. Still not working? Look for dirt or debris inside the USB port. Use a flashlight. If you spot anything, gently remove it with a toothpick or canned air. Be careful not to damage the port. Now check the fuse box. Your Hyundai Santa Fe has a fuse just for the USB port. The owner's manual will show you where to look. If the fuse is blown, replace it with one of the same rating. If none of these steps work, your USB port might need professional repair. Visit your Hyundai dealer or a trusted mechanic. And that's it. Most USB port issues are quick fixes. Now you can get back to charging your phone and enjoying your drive. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tips.